Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, and this is your GK class of standard 2. Beta, we are putting much effort in making these videos, so go through these videos again and again. If you are facing any problem, you see these videos, all the question answers are also explained in the videos, and you will get all the solution in these videos. Okay, now I will explain you about the Golden Gate. This is your GK class, and today we will study a short notes on the Golden Temple, and we will do the revision of some question answer also. See, this is the picture of Golden Temple. Actually, in Sikh community, this is called Harmandir Sahib or Darbar Sahib, and it is a Gurudwara where Sikh go for worship. It is prominent pilgrimage site of Sikhism. Here, Sikh go for worship in the Gurudwara, and this is Gurudwara only. Okay, and this is usually called Golden Temple in English because this outer surface means it is plated with golden color. Now see, here is the short notes on Golden Temple. Golden Temple is famous for its full golden dome. I have shown you the picture. The dome was golden and full monument is golden color. It is one of the most sacred pilgrimage spots for Sikhs. Why it is the most sacred pilgrimage spot? Because the fourth Guru of Sikh, Guru Ram Das, who had initially constructed a pool here, founded Amritsar, which houses the Golden Temple of Harmandir Sahib. Now see, this is the picture of Golden Temple, and around it is a pool, means water body, and in between that water body stands this Golden Temple. There is some more information about this Golden Temple, that Gurudwara is built around a man-made pool. What water body is there? Means like a lake or what pond. Means there is a water body. In between that, this Golden Temple is built, and it was completed by the fourth Sikh Guru, and his name was Guru Ram Das. And the Golden Temple is spiritually the most significant shrine in Sikhism, and it became the center of Sikh Sabha movement between 1883 and 1920s, and the Punjabi Subha movement between 1947 and 1966. Here also in Patna, city is known for its Gurudwara only. City is very famous for its Gurudwara. Now there are some questions related to this. Where is the Golden Temple located? And see, the golden, from here you will start. The Golden Temple, here you will add, is located in Amritsar, Punjab. In Punjab. Okay, let us go to the next question. To which religion is the Golden Temple dedicated? And again, from the question only we will start the answer. The Golden Temple is dedicated to which religion? We have studied to Sikh religion. Okay, this S will be capital because it is proper noun. Any name of any religion or any festival is proper noun, so this you will write capital. Now next comes C. Sikh religion, the famous 5 Ks of Sikh religion. In Hindi, they call it Qatar. 5 Ks. Wait. 5 Ks are important. One is Ks, that is hair. They cover their hair and they make turban. All the Sikhs you will see. Qatar they keep with them. See. Kaksha, that is underwear, undergarments. Kada, Sikh you will always see like this, wearing a kada, like this, wearing a metal kada in his hand. So these are the 5 symbols of the Sikh community which they have to follow, and they follow also, my dear. You will see no one will enter in the Gurudwara without covering their head. Like this also in all the religion we cover the head while doing any puja or praying. Now what is the another name of Golden Temple? And the another name of Golden Temple? Golden Temple is known as Darbar Sahib or Harmandir Sahib. Now, who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? And as all of you know, that Sri Krishna Sinha was the first Chief Minister of Bihar, and he was from Maur village, which is situated in Barbigha district. See the picture of Sri Krishna Sinha. And who was the first president of India? And my dear, he was also from Bihar. Okay, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was also from Bihar, near Ara district. Okay, and he was the one of the member in the foundation of the constitution also. I am showing you the picture of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of Free India, and from 1951 to 1961, 2 terms he remained as the president of India. Now here are some sounds of animals. Okay, the sound made by chimpanzee is called scream. Chimpanzee screams. Dolphin clicks. Goose honks. Mouse squeaks. Frog croaks. Right now you can see here in Patna we usually can't listen, but in village you will listen the croaks of the frog, especially in this season, means rainy season. And wait, thank you my dear, and you will do your work very nicely. First you will write CW and date, then you will write the question answers, and then the sounds of animals, and then the names of animals and its sounds. And my dear, do it in very good handwriting. One or two child is not doing the their work in correct way, means it is not clear. You do clearly, my dear. Okay, thank you, and hope you all will do it clearly. Thanks.